Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sebastian. I'm from 2B class, Absen number 14. In this section, I would like to explain about circuit of automatic water filling system. And in this case, we have a water tank that has three sensors on it. The first is at the bottom, 0 liters. Second at the middle, 5 liters. And the third at the top, 10 liters. The system also has two toggle switches, S1 and S2. So the working principle is like this. If the users activate S1 and when the waters falls to the 0 liters, which means the water tank is empty, the pump will automatically on and it will fill the tank with the water until it reaches 5 liters, and then the pump will automatically stop. This process always repeat until the users deactivated S1 or activating S2. Similarly, if the users activate S2, when the waters falls to the 0 liters, which means the water tank is empty, the pump will automatically on and fill the tank with the water until it reaches 10 liters, and then the pump will automatically stop. This process also repeated continuously until the users deactivated S2 or activating S1. So we will move to the circuit. Here I use a battery 12 volts as a DC sources, and we have S1 and S2. This is an input from the users, and here we have three sensors at the water tank: 0 liters, 5 liters, and 10 liters. In here I use active flow principle, so which means if the waters at the sensor or the sensor detect the waters, the sensor will give a low output. So basically the push button will be off like this. And I have a resistors which work for limiting current that flows through the line. And we have SCR, silicon control rectifier. Basically this component flows a current from the anode through the cathode, but it will be require a trigger from this line. And from the cathode we connect it to the DC motors and then to the ground. The diode that put parallelly with the motor DC work as a safety for the motor DC itself. And now I'm gonna run this circuit, and this is our starting point. The three sensors are all detecting the water, so which means the tank is now full. We assume that the users are using the water, so the level of the water will be decreased, which means if the water level is decreased, the sensor won't be detecting water anymore. So the 10 liters won't be detect any water anymore, so it go like this. Also 5 liters, so as the 0 liters. So at this rate the tank is now empty because all the sensor not detecting any water. So as you can see, the pump is automatically on. So when the automatically on, the water level from the tank is increase. If increase, the sensor will detect water again. 0 liter will detect. As we can see, the pump is still on because we already have the trigger from this sensor. And the level is still increasing to the 5 liters since the users activate the S1, so the pump will stop when it reaches the 5 liter like this. So we can repeat the process, won't detect any water anymore, and it will not detect anymore again. So this is what happens if the users activate S1. So what would happen if the user activate S2? We will go back to the starting point. Back to the starting point. Uh, Now the water tank is full because all three sensors are detecting water. So we can assume again that the users can use the water. So 10 liters will not be detecting water anymore. So it go on. Also 5 liters and so as 0 liters. Same as before, as you can see the pump is automatically on when the water tank is empty. So if the pump on, the water levels is also increased. So the 0 liters will be detect waters, so as 5 liters and then 10 liters, which means this is the water tank is now full and the pump is automatically stopped at the 10 liters rate. So we can repeat the process again like this. There you go. The waters will be full again and the pump will be stopped. That's all for me. Thank you.